nigga been thinking. I put a 4 in a 20 ounce, a nigga been drinking. Yeah. If you with the squad, I give you my heart, little nigga, I mean it. I was fighting some demons, and it feel been.
Hey y'all, I am back with another video, and today it's another unboxing. This won't become like a normal thing, but you know, whenever I get something new and I want to share it with you guys, why not? So I am sorry I have been missing in action for the past weeks, maybe months. I was sick for 2.5 weeks, so I'm just now getting over the cold. My auntie decided to surprise me with a cold, so I didn't want to film. I couldn't talk. My throat was really sore, and it was disgusting, so I didn't want to film like that. So I ordered me a MacBook Air in gold. Oh, you guys can see yourself. Hi. Anyway, I ordered me a MacBook Air in gold. I have a computer, but it's been giving me complete hell. So that's the reason why I ordered it. I'm not feeling all that great today. Somebody I know close to me passed away. Well, not close to me, but somebody I knew passed away. And I am excited that I got this computer. So I wanted to share the excitement with you guys, even though I'm not feeling all that great. I'm like, hey, I'll film. Maybe that'll make me feel better, get my mind off things, which is really helping. So, like I said, I got the MacBook Air in gold. I got the 128 gigabyte, and the reason why I got the 128 was because I'm able to buy a hard drive if I need extra storage, and that's just cheaper. So I'll tell you guys all of the little details and stuff in a minute. So let's get in. Oh, and also I got me some accessories. So let's get into this unboxing. All right, got a little tab here. Oh, this is so satisfying. It's so satisfying. So, and I mean so. Oh, okay, there we go. So satisfying. And the gold was like really pretty, because I was thinking about like space gray, and I'm like, my iPad is gold, my watch is gold, and the new phone I'm getting is going to be gold also. So I'm like, might as well just stick with the gold, because why not? All right, look at the lettering. The lettering is even gold, and the Apple. Oh, give me life. Okay, it's taking some time to, you know, loosen up. Just hope I don't drop nothing. I'm probably not going to, but see, yep, gotta start over. Let me just put it down here. If you guys hear my mom in the background, I'm sorry. You know, I have a huge family, so they tend to gossip. Okay, this is like really not coming off. It's like taking forever. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, it smells like a new computer. Oh. Oh. Let y'all see. Oh, that's heavy. So I'm gonna take it out first. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side. Show y'all what I got. So we got it comes with the USB-C lightning cable, so you can charge it. All right, then you get your little booklet. Let's open up this booklet. So, instructions. Oh, and they give you gold Apple stickers. So, if y'all don't know, every MacBook, well, not every, but the 2018 model, because that's the one I got. If you get the gold, you get, obviously, the gold stickers. If you get the space gray, you get the space gray stickers. And if you get the silver, you get the stickers that comes with every Apple phone. So, beautiful. And then you have, drop the lightning cable, Lord have mercy. Then you get your little block. That didn't come off like the way it was supposed to, so wing it. Just rip it off. This is, it seems like it's smaller than the one that you, 30 watt. So, I don't know all that extra stuff, so put the box back together, and then we can unbox this baby. this is a box that you should never get rid of. Like, this is a box that deserves to be kept. Because, look at it. Just look at it. So, to educate you guys before I really unbox this, this is the Retina display. I'm going to read the stuff off the box because I know a lot of stuff, but memorizing it. So, it's 8 gigabytes of 2133 megahertz. You get a 1.6 dual core Intel Core i5 with 4M-L3 processor. This has Touch ID, FaceTime, of course, headphone jack, stereo speakers. So that's, you know, the gist of it. When you order one, everything is on the back of here. So that's where I was reading off of. All right, y'all. The moment of truth, okay? I don't even know how I should hold it. I'll hold it like this. Oh, this is so satisfying. Oh my God. And here it is. I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see. Here it is, you guys. I decided to turn the camera around so you can see really good. It is beautiful, okay? And I mean, like, just beautiful. Right. So now I'm gonna open it up. It came on already. Oh, it's dead. So I'm going to put on the case with you guys, and then once I set it up and stuff, I'll be back. So let's put this on with each other. Find something to puncture this with. Why? There we go. So on my other computer, I have like stickers that I got from Zoomies. So once I get a chance, I think I'm gonna go to the mall I'm going to the mall this weekend. So once I get that, I got the clear because first of all, you want to be able to see the beautiful gold, like you want to. So actually, I'm probably not gonna put this on. No, I am. I changed my mind. So I wanted my mom to see it because I'm not in the room with my mom, but I'm like, put it on. So first, is it this one? This way? No, it's crazy. I got the directions and I just don't want to read it. I think I got it upside down. Yep, I did have it upside down. I think. So this has the butterfly keyboards. Oh, you guys can see each other. See yourself. Yeah. Hello. I think I'm putting this on the right way. There we go. There we go. So that's what it looks like, the front of it. And then put the back on. And I went on Amazon to buy this. I can put the link down in the description box below. But I got this, everything. It comes with the case. Then it comes with the little keyboard thing. And these for the bottom. And then you also get a screen protector, which I need if I'm going to be using. So, right. Just going to assume that this is the way you put it on. Yep. They want me to flip this over. Okay. We're just going to flip this over, y'all. Gentle. Gentle. Baby, ain't nobody touching this, baby. Dang, that was quick. And this is what the back looks like. And all together. Oh, that's so pretty. So, because I have to charge the computer, you guys won't see me boot it up and set it up. But, it's okay. And then I'm going to put the screen protector on. I got to make sure that this fit. Got to make sure this fits. I think it does. Alright, putting this in there. Why is it sticky? That's weird. Oh, got it facing the wrong way. Is it supposed to be sticky? Oh, it's supposed to be sticky. Alright, well that makes sense. Okay. Okay. Perfect. And I'll show y'all what the keyboard look like with it on. Actually, you really can't tell. I mean, if you lift it up, but like, well, y'all can tell then. But far away, you can't even tell that I have this on the keyboard. So, that was my other computer. So that concludes my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if y'all want me to, now I have no excuse to edit YouTube videos because I have a MacBook. So, oh, forgot to show y'all this. I also got a little carrying case. Everything from Amazon. I will put the link in the description box below. Look at that. Slides right in there. No problem. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I think the next thing I'm going to do is like a get to know me video. Like Q&A like that. I know a lot of people have questions and stuff like that. But I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can know when I post more videos. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
I was raised in the deep end. I know niggas be sinking. Take your bitch.